PubMed 86 articles of Atomy Hemoheme. 1. Antioxidant and anti-fatigue effect of a standardized fraction, Hemoheme, from Angelica gigas, Nidum officinale, and Pioneer lactiflora. Farm Biol. Published online 2021 April 4. 2. Protective effects of a standardized extract, Hemoheme, using indomethacin and ethanol, HCl-induced gastromucosal injury models. Farm Biol. Published online 2019 August 20. 3. Enhanced anti-tumor efficacy of cisplatin in combination with Hemoheme in tumor-bearing mice. BMC Cancer. Published online 2009 March 17. 4. Preventative effect of an herbal preparation, Hemoheme, on development of airway inflammation in mice via modulation of Th1 half cells differentiation. PLOS 1. Published online 2013 July 2. 5. Herbal preparation, Hemoheme, enhanced functional maturation of bone marrow-derived dendritic cells-mediated toll-like receptor 4. BMC Complement Altern Med. Published online 2016 February 19. 6. Screening of anti-obesity agent from herbal mixtures. Molecules. Published online 2012 March 23. 7. Standardized extract, Hemoheme, protects against scopolamine-induced amnesia in a murine model. Avid-based complement alternate med. Published online 2021 March 17. 8. Preventive effect of the herbal preparation, Hemoheme, on cisplatin-induced immune suppression. Avid-based complement alternate med. Published online 2019 March 20. 9. Evaluation of acute, 28-day, 13-week repeated dose oral toxicity and genotoxicity of a herbal extract, Hemoheme G, from Angelica sinensis, Ligusticum changxing, and Pioneer lactiflora. Toxical Res. Published online 2024 March 16. 10. Hemoheme, a herbal preparation, alleviates airway inflammation caused by cigarette smoke and lipopolysaccharide. Lab Annum Res. Published online 2017 March 27. 11. Evaluation of acute, repeated dose 28-day and 13-week oral toxicity and genotoxicity of a standardized fraction, Hemoheme, from Angelica gigas, Nidum officinale, and Pioneer lactiflora. Toxical Res. Published online 2024 August 16. 12. Immunomodulatory and anti-diabetic effects of a new herbal preparation, Hemoheme, on streptozotocin-induced diabetic mice. Avid-based complement alternate med. Published online 2014 June 18. 13. Efficacy of an herbal preparation, Atomy's Hemoheme, against ventilator-associated pneumonia, a randomized controlled clinical trial. J-Res Farm Pract. Published online 2024 January 31. 14. Synergistic anti-cancer activity of MH30 in a murine melanoma model treated with cisplatin and its alleviated effects against cisplatin-induced toxicity in mice. In vivo. Published online 2020 July 3. 15. Euonymus alitus, thumb. Cybole leaf extract enhanced immunostimulatory effects in a cyclophosphamide-induced immunosuppressed rat model. Food Nutter Res. Published online 2023 April 19. 16. Immune-enhancing effects of county treatment with Calopanax pictus nakai bark and Nelumbo nucifera Gartner leaf extract in a cyclophosphamide-induced immunosuppressed rat model. Front Nutter. Published online 2022 May 19. 17. Effect and mechanism of herbal medicines on cisplatin-induced anorexia. Pharmaceuticals, Basel. Published online 2022 February 9. 18. Immune-enhancing effect of fermented soybean food, Cheonggukjang on cyclophosphamide-treated immunosuppressed rat. Helione. Published online 2024 September 14. 19. Synergistic and additive effects of herbal medicines in combination with chemotherapeutics, a scoping review. Integr Cancer Tahir. Published online 2024 June 12. 20. Therapeutic effects and mechanisms of herbal medicines for treating polycystic ovary syndrome, a review. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2020 August 12. 21. Review of the efficacy and mechanisms of traditional Chinese medicines as a therapeutic option for ionizing radiation-induced damage. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2021 February 15. 22. Complementary and Alternative Medicine for Diabetes 2014. Avid-based Complement Alternate Med. Published online 2015 March 26. 23. Clinical effectiveness of a combination of black elderberries, violet herb, and calendula flowers in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The results of a double-blinded placebo-controlled study. Biology, Basel. Published online 2020 April 22 NS. 24. Hydroxyl safflower yellow A regulates the tumor immune microenvironment to produce an anti-cancer effect in a mouse model of hepatocellular carcinoma. OnCall Let. Published online 2019 January 18. 25. Herbal extract, Cervus elephas linnaeus, Angelica gigas nacai, and Astragalus membranaceus bunch, ameliorates chronic fatigue. A randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blind trial. IntegraMed Res. Published online 2024 September 11. 26. Immunoradiotherapy for NSCLC, Mechanisms, Clinical Outcomes, and Future Directions. ClinTransal OnCall. Published online 2023 November 3. 27. Hyperbaric oxygen increases atresia in normal and steroid-induced PCO rat ovaries. Reprod Biol Endocrinal. Published online 2012 February 6. 28. The prospective role of plant products in radiotherapy of cancer, a current overview. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2012 January 9. 29. Phytotherapy of nephrotoxicity induced by cancer drugs, an updated review. J. Nephropathol. Published online 2017 February 16. 30. Comparison of malondialdehyde, acetylcholinesterase, and apoptosis-related markers in the cortex and hippocampus of cognitively dysfunctional mice induced by scopolamine. Biomedicines. Published online 2024 October 28. 31. Daily exercises uptake and associated factors among Social Security and National Insurance Trust pensioners in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. J. Health Popule Nutter. Published online 2024 October 16. 32. The role and mechanism of Paeoniae radix alba in tumor therapy. Molecules. Published online 2024 March 22. 33. The M5C methyltransferase NSUN2 promotes codon-dependent oncogenic translation by stabilizing tRNA in anaplastic thyroid cancer. ClinTransal Med. Published online 2023 November 20th. 34. Shaojianzhong decoction attenuates aspirin-induced gastric mucosal injury via the PI3KAKT, mTOR, ULK1 and AMPK, ULK1 pathways. Pharm Biol. Published online 2023 August 21st. 35. Protective effect of Biomickey Tang against radiation-induced intestinal injury in mice, experimental verification and compound target prediction. Avid-based Complement Alternate Med. Published online 2023 January 4. 36. Pharmacological effects of buffer GNP granule on chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and its metabolism in rats. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2022 December 15. 37. Insight into the hepatoprotective, hyperlipidemic, and anti-diabetic impacts of aliskiren in streptozotocin-induced diabetic liver disease in mice. Diabetol Metabolism Cinder. Published online 2022 October 31st. 38. Anti-inflammatory effect of Geji Tang in a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease mouse model induced by cigarette smoke and lipopolysaccharide. Pharm Biol. Published online 2022 October 20th. 39. The role of the human gut microbiome in inflammatory bowel disease and radiation enteropathy. Microorganisms. Published online 2022 August 9. 40. Polysaccharides of Dendrobium officinale Camura and Migo leaves protect against ethanol-induced gastric mucosal injury via the AMPK-mTOR signaling pathway in vitro in vivo. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2020 November 11. 41. Fucoidan ameliorates oxidative stress, inflammation, DNA damage, and hepatorenal injuries in diabetic rats intoxicated with aflatoxin B1. Oxid Med Cell Longev. Published online 2020 February 10. 42. Enhanced anti-tumor immunotherapy by silica-coated magnetic nanoparticles conjugated with ovalbumin. Ind J Nanomedicine. Published online 2019 October 16. PubMed Central 86 articles of Atomy Hemoheme. 43. Enhanced anti-tumor immunotherapy by dissolving microneedle patch-loaded ovalbumin. PLOS1. Published online 2019 August 6. 44. Aliskiran attenuates the inflammatory response and wound healing process in diabetic mice with periodontal disease. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2019 July 4. 45. Activation toll-like receptor 7, TLR7, responsiveness associated with mitogen-activated protein kinase, MAPK, activation in HIOEC cell line of oral squamous cell carcinoma. J. Dent, Shiraz, 2018 September. 46. Evaluation of hepatoprotective effect of curcumin on liver cirrhosis using a combination of biochemical analysis and magnetic resonance-based electrical conductivity imaging. Mediators inflamed. Published online 2018 May 17. 47. Effects of Angelica gigas nacai as an anti-inflammatory agent in vitro and in vivo atopic dermatitis models. Avid-based complement alternate med. Published online 2018 March 11. 48. Biological, antifungal, and physical efficacy of a denture cleanser formulated with Nidum officinale extracts. Biomedicines. Published online 2024 September 5. 49. Anti-cancer potential of decursing, decursonol angelate, and decursonol from Angelica gigas nacai. A comprehensive review and future therapeutic prospects. Food Sci Nutter. Published online 2024 July 31st. 50. Anti-obesity and immunomodulatory effects of oil and fermented extract dried from Tenebrio molitor larvae on aged obese mice. Annum Cells Cyst, Sol. Published online 2024 July 13. 51. Response surface methodology mediated optimization of phytosulfakine and plant growth regulators for enhanced protoplast division, callus induction, and somatic embryogenesis in Angelica gigas nacai. BMC Plant Biol. Published online 2024 June 11. 52. Memory recovery effect of a new bioactive innovative combination in rats with experimental dementia. Antioxidants, Basel. Published online 2023 November 28. 53. Serum proteomic profiling in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Ind J Crohn obstruct pulmon dis. Published online 2023 July 28. 54. Luteolin suppresses inflammation and oxidative stress in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease through inhibition of the NOX4-mediated NF-kappa B signaling pathway. Immune Inflam Dis. Published online 2023 April 27. 55. Ginsenoside RG1 can reverse fatigue behavior in CFS rats by regulating EGFR and affecting taurine and mannose 6-phosphate metabolism. Front Pharmacol. Published online 2023 April 10. 56. Hippocampal dentate gyri proteomics reveals WNT signaling involvement in the behavioral impairment in the THRSP overexpressing ADHD mouse model. Commune Biol. Published online 2023 January 16. 57. Freshwater clam extract attenuates endomethacin-induced gastric damage in vitro and in vivo. Foods. Published online 2022 December 28. 58. The effect of metformin on ethanol and endomethacin-induced gastric ulcers in rats. Turk J. Gastroenterol. Published online 2022 September 1st. 59. Bruguiera gymnariza, L. Lam. Fruit accelerates healing in gastric injury via the regulation of the NF-kappa B pathway. Avid-based complement alternate med. Published online 2022 June 17. 60. Gastroprotective effects of water extract of domesticated Amariderma rugosum against several gastric ulcer models in rats. Farm Biol. Published online 2022 March 11. 61. Effects of Canarium odontophyllum leaves on plasma glucose and T lymphocyte population in streptozotocin-induced diabetic rats. Saudi J. Biol Sci. Published online 2015 October 9. 62. Trisin ameliorates STZ-induced diabetes in rats. Possible impact of modulation of TLR4, NF-kB pathway. Res Pharm Sci. Published online 2021 November 11. 63. Beneficial effects of naringanon and moron on interleukin-5 and reactive oxygen species production in BALB, C mice with ovalbumin-induced asthma. Korean J. Physiol Pharmacol. Published online 2021 November 1. 64. Dark side of cancer therapy. Cancer treatment-induced cardiopulmonary inflammation, fibrosis, and immune modulation. Ind J. Mo Sci. Published online 2021 September 19. 65. Attenuation of hepatotoxicity and oxidative stress in diabetes STZ-induced type 1 by biotin in Swiss albino mice. Saudi J. Biol Sci. Published online 2015 October 9. 66. The emerging role of gut microbiota in myalgic encephalomyelitis, chronic fatigue syndrome, ME, CFS, current evidence and potential therapeutic applications. J. Clin Med. Published online 2021 October 29. 67. Review. Effect of gut microbiota and its metabolite SCFAs on radiation-induced intestinal injury. Front Cell Infect Microbiome. Published online 2021 July 9. 68. Development of a model of the acute and delayed effects of high-dose radiation exposure in Jackson diversity outbred mice. Comparison to inbred C57BL, 6 mice. Health Phys. Published in final edited form as Health Phys. 2020 November. 69. Therapeutic effect of topical application of curcumin during treatment of radiation burns in a mini pig model. J. Wet Sci. Published online 2016 December 20th. 70. A PPAR gamma agonist protects from radiation-induced intestinal toxicity. United European Gastroenterology J. Published online 2016 July 8. 71. Atractylodes macrocephala polysaccharides regulate the innate immunity of colorectal cancer cells by modulating the TLR4 signaling pathway. Onco targets TAHL. Published online 2019 September 4. 72. The Chinese herbal mixture Tian Xian liquid augments the anti-cancer immunity in tumor cell vaccinated mice. Integr Cancer TAHL. Published online 2016 June 1. 73. Colon cancer survival with herbal medicine and vitamins combined with standard therapy in a whole systems approach. 10-year follow-up data analyzed with marginal structural models and propensity score methods. Integr Cancer TAHL. Published online 2011 September 30th. 74. Hepatotoxicity and pharmacokinetics of cisplatin in combination therapy with a traditional Chinese medicine compound of Zhengmian Yilu granules in ICR mice and SCOV3 bearing nude mice. BMC Complement Altern Med. Published online 2015 August 18. 75. Persistent inflammation and T-cell exhaustion in severe sepsis in the elderly. Crit Care. Published online 2014 June 24. 76. Preventive effect of garlic oil and its organosulfur component diallyl disulfide on cigarette smoke-induced airway inflammation in mice. Nutrients. Published online 2018 November 4. 77. Polysaccharide of atractylodes macrocephalacoids, PAMK, relieves immunosuppression in cyclophosphamide-treated geese by maintaining a humoral and cellular immune balance. Molecules. Published online 2018 April 17. 78. Immunostimulatory and anti-metastatic activity of polysaccharides isolated from byproducts of the corn starch industry. Ka Bohi Dr. Polum. Published online 2017 November 16. 79. Trends in Ginseng Research in 2010. J. Ginseng Res. Published 2011 November. 80. Potential beneficial effects of Siwu Tang on white blood cell numbers in the gastrointestinal tract of gamma-ray irradiated mice. Int J. Biomed Sci. Published 2014 September. 81. Protective effect of genistein on radiation-induced intestinal injury in tumor-bearing mice. BMC Complement Altern Med. Published online 2013 May 14. 82. Orally administered Salacia reticulata extract reduces H1N1 influenza clinical symptoms in murine lung tissues putatively due to enhanced natural killer cell activity. Front Immunol. Published online 2016 March 31st. 83. Coniferol aldehyde attenuates radiation enteropathy by inhibiting cell death and promoting endothelial cell function. PLOS 1. Published online 2015 June 1st. 84. Preserved ex vivo inflammatory status and cytokine responses in naturally long-lived mice. Age, Dodder. Published online 2010 May 28. 85. PLGA encapsulated T polyphenols enhance the chemotherapeutic efficacy of cisplatin against human cancer cells in mice bearing Ehrlich ascites carcinoma. Int J. Nanomedicine. Published online 2015 October 30. 86. Evaluation of nephroprotective and immunomodulatory activities of antioxidants in combination with cisplatin against murine visceral leishmaniasis. PLOS Negal Trogdis. Published online 2012 May 1st. For more details visit Atomy Hyderabad ATM Education Center or call Diamond Master Vasu Pamidi.